So in this video, we're gonna talk about integers. So what is integers? When we say integers, it is the numbers you used to name the distances of points from the origin. And remember that our origin is 0. So let's say this is our number line, and this is our origin, which is 0. So integers to the left of 0 here in this side are written in negative sign, and integers to the right of 0 here may be written with a positive sign or with no sign at all. And remember also that 0 is an integer that is neither positive nor negative. So what are the set of integers? So the set of integers is the set of counting numbers, their opposites, and 0. Again, let's say this is our number line. This is our 0. So 0 is our reference or the origin. Then these are the numbers or the counting numbers from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and so on. And their opposite, which is the numbers here on the left side, is negative, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, and so on. So those are the set of integers. So the set of integers are the negative numbers, the 0, and the positive numbers. Okay, so those are the set of integers. And now let's talk about comparing and ordering integers. So first is comparing. So in comparing integers, number line can help when we are comparing integers. So to compare two integers, think how the integers are ordered on the number line. So let's say again, this is our number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Next, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on. Remember that in the right of the 0, all the number here going to the right, so the numbers get larger. And those numbers here going to the left, the numbers get smaller. Okay, always remember that. So like for example, compare. And remember that also in comparing, we use these three symbols: the greater, the less than, and the equal. Okay, like for example, try to compare this. Negative 8 and positive 9. Again, those number going to the right gets larger, and those number going to the left gets smaller. And always remember that positive is larger than negative, so we can say that negative 8 is less than positive 9. Next, 3 and negative 4. Since 3 is positive and 4 is negative, therefore 3 is greater than negative 4. And how about, okay, negative 5 and negative 5? Of course, as what you can see, they are both equal, or they are the same. Therefore, we can say that negative 5 is equal to itself, which is negative 5. How about this one? Okay, negative 13 and negative 14. Again, from 0 going to the left, the larger gets smaller. Since negative 13 is near from 0, the negative 14, therefore we can say that negative 13 is greater than negative 14. So that's how to compare integers. Next, how about ordering integers? In ordering integers, okay, it depends on their sign. Okay, like for example, if we have an integers, if we have an integers 5, negative 3, 14, negative 8, 0, and 9. Let's try to arrange that from smallest to biggest. Okay, so smallest to biggest. Of course, we start from negative numbers because that's the smallest. Okay, we have only two negative numbers here. So which among the two is the smallest? The negative 3 or the negative 8? Of course, negative 8, because negative 8 is very far from 0. So negative 8 followed by negative 3 next. And remember that 0 is larger than negative numbers. So after negative 3 we have 0, then 5, 9, and 14. So that's the proper ordering from smallest to biggest, or the proper arrangement of an integers from smallest to biggest. Okay, how about this one? Try to arrange that from biggest to smallest. Okay, when we say biggest, of course, we're going to focus on the positive numbers. So let's start from the biggest one. This is, of course, the 17. After 17, followed by 16. After 16, the 7. Then 0 and all negative integers. What's next after the 7? Of course, 0, because remember again that 0 is greater than negative numbers. Then after that, what number is near from 0 to the left? Of course, negative 1. Next, followed by negative 8 and negative 9. Last example. How about this one? Okay, try to arrange that from smallest to biggest. Okay, so smallest, let's start with negative numbers. Of course, negative 2. Next, after the negative 2, we have negative 1/2. After that is 0 followed by 1/2 and 5. Again, so that's how to compare and ordering integers and also the concepts of integers. So that's the end of my blog. I hope that you've learned a lot, and do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube channel for more videos about mathematics.